porta potty fell down the hill with somebody in it. I don't know if they... Are they all right? Did you hear my... Are they okay?
Use porta potties.
Come on, traffic. Get up there. Let's see. Yeah.
Oh, there is somebody.
A lady in it. Oh my God. Oh my God. Watch everybody taking their filming. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Get out!
Oh my God. I don't know.
Are you afraid to touch her?
Somebody help her out. She don't stink too bad.
You want to go help her?
Somebody get her. Oh God, it's all down her back. Oh Jesus. Ma'am, you got a turd on your left shoulder.